Math 1, final benchmark, number 45. The table shows two students' plans for saving money. The first student's plan, Plan 1, starts with $200 and the student saves $20 per month. Alright, so they're saving a constant amount per month with an initial value that they started with, which would be your y-intercept. So number 1 is a linear equation. All right, and we could write that something like y equals 20x plus 200. All right, Plan 2, starting with $0, the student saves $20 in the first month and increases the amount saved per month by 10%. All right, so they're saving a percentage. And it's going to increase by 1%, so that is going to be an exponential function. All right, which statement is true? Both plans represent exponential. No, we said that the first one is linear, and we think the second one would be exponential. So this one is not true either. They're not both exponential, and they're both not linear. All right, so C says Plan 1 represents a linear function, while Plan 2 represents an exponential. All right, so that would be correct. The last one says the reverse. Plan 1 is exponential, which it's not, and Plan 2 is linear. All right, so if they save $20 the first month, we could just kind of write $20, and then we're going to have an increase, so it's going to be 1 plus that 10% for however much amount of time it goes. So this one would be exponential. So C is the correct answer for number 45.